sign. Can I explain it? It's not even it's a university. Why do you say that? Why? Two adults, doctors. Why would you say that?
Come on.
Who actually knows the road. So you go with all the work you know.
How's enough attendance? There's been a call for support. Closer to the fountain. Let's support survivors.
You're upholding white supremacy by taking your paycheck from these fucking racist, genocide. That doesn't mean it works. What do you tell your kids? What do you tell your kids, man?
Supremacist friends over there and shut them up.
You're all alone.
That's really
I followed to residential.
My sluggish.
I'm all resident.
Oh, you're from Alabama.
Thank you guys. Sorry. Go that way. Go that way. No. Don't come and buy this guy.
I didn't know that was your decision.
Go that way.
Yeah, I did.
Go that way.